Ladies and gentlemen, gather round for the ultimate tour bus extravaganza. Today, we're showcasing a truly magnificent machine, a 1992 Prevost Country Coach XL. This beauty has a whopping 197,614 miles, but don't let that fool you, it's in top-notch condition. Let's break it down. Mileage, 197,614 miles. Documentation, all manuals and a treasure trove of receipts. Maintenance, recent oil change and lube, it's practically purring. And the generator? Just serviced. Engine, 8V92 Ta Detroit with approximately 12,000 miles since the rebuild. This powerhouse runs strong with plenty of oomph. Transmission, sturdy Allison HT-755CR. You can drive this bus anywhere today. Tires, Michelin 31580S, 75% tread, and a spare, dated but safe. For sale by owner asking $85,000. Remember, folks, this bus isn't mine. For more details or to make this beauty yours, contact the seller via Craigslist. See the link to the original ad in the description below. There you have it. A tour bus that's ready to hit the road and take you on countless adventures. Don't miss out on this fantastic opportunity.